What's up, everybody? Yes, I'm chilling and I'm in my robe, and yes, I'm in my cannabis club. Why? Because I forgot to make an intro to this video. So here's what's up. We went ahead and powder coated the Kink bike frame that we've been working on for a while. Jeremy's bike. Went ahead and powder coated it. We're gonna show you that in this video. We actually did the first color of the powder coat. There's a couple of things that we're gonna be adding to it, maybe even some glow. So you're definitely gonna wanna stick to watching this series of videos. There's only going to be one or two more. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now would be a good time to go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of these videos. Remember, if at any point in time during this video you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us with the Google algorithm. Now check out this powder coating of this BMX Kink bike frame. Yeah.
Putting it in the oven. Oops.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We're just spraying this down with Afterblast from Eastwood. Spray it down, let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then wipe it down. And then if you need it again, you spray it down again, let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, wipe it down again. God damn it!
I think it's fine. Try not to hit the camera. You know. It's getting a lot of that rust out of the center hub too. And that'll stay through the heat? Oh shit.
Yeah, this is heat treated. And it'll last for 400 degrees. Over 400.
Sweet. gotta get warm? Or no?
Huh?
It's after. Just come on this, or...
Oh, I don't have the air. I need the air. I'm like,
Is it at the right PSI now?
yes, that's sure.
Alright, I'm gonna come on this side.
Come on this side. Okay. So here we go.
It's looking nice. You want to explain to them what happened?
So we're cooking our first part. We get it in there, and it's starting to cook, and then we look over and we're like, why is the temperature dropping? We ran out of propane, so we had to go run and grab something real quick. Luckily, we only paid 20 bucks, and it's $3 or so away.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how it is.
We're gonna take a look. Yeah, because this is 130.
Sweet. Not sweet, but it could be cooler. Let's check it out real quick.
Let's check out what the bike is and how hot it is. Oh, wow. Oh, my Lord. We're looking at 300 degrees.
That's nice.
350 degrees.
It has to get hotter though.
Yeah, it has to get hotter. You can already see the texture on it too that it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
That is fucking sweet. Wow, I'm so glad. I just stabbed myself.
Check to see if you're bleeding. We just caught a stabbing on video. Just hurt.
Yeah, just hurt. Luckily, I had a couple layers. I had 2 shirts and a hoodie on. I'm so glad you went with that color.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
That was my favorite one that I got.
Dude, I was kind of skeptical about it. You knew I was about that one.
Yeah, that was the first one you were trying to get me to get rid of.
I was skeptical.
But I took the basic colors off.
Oh my god, that is fucking awesome. Alrighty, we're pulling it out. Oh yeah, wow, look at that color. That is wild.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, pull it out of there. That looks nice.
And you can see the texture on it. That is cool. Look at the texture. That's cool. Wow. That turned out really cool. Now we gotta let it cool to room temperature. and decide what clear, if any, we're gonna do on it.